Hey fellow traders, somebody asked me what's with oil. We do see a big turning up, so in June, June 5th actually, so it's first week. And yeah, today is a big turning point. Judge on the pattern, we touched 67, well, take it out. Let's see the weekly. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, but you can see the weekly blue. Yep, let's see daily. Oh yeah. So actually high 72.53 and we close higher. It's under a short bounce, or we're actually taking out a lot of reversals today. Yeah. 72.91, 73. I think we're taking out 70. We're gonna move up based on today. We'll see.